So my lifetime sport is bowling, and I'm going to show you another way of bowling at the bowling alley, rolling the ball down there. So I call it the spin, but the real technical term is curving the bowling ball into the pins. If you watch professional bowling, a lot of professional bowlers do it all the time, but you're trying to basically get the ball to strike against the floor, not strike but roll against the floor, and as it get closer to the pins, it just curves in and it hit directly in the middle. Now it takes a lot of practice to do that. I also know how to do it. The correct way of doing it is have your two fingers, your middle and your ring finger inside the two top holes, and you put your thumb at the bottom. And as you're releasing, you're still gonna have it like this, but you kind of want to curve. You kind of want to make sure you kind of curve the ball into your arm like this. So when you curve the ball into your arm, it's gonna be like this. And as you're releasing, your hand's still kind of cuffed underneath the ball. As you're releasing, you're gonna see that the ball is going like this. And once you get like right here to the side of your hip, your thumb kind of should be sliding out or pops out, because you're kind of like releasing the ball down. So it's like you're gonna be like this. Start off like this, and then you're gonna put it down. And as you're going down, it's still gonna be here. And when you're going up, it's kind of like you unreleasing your wrist. You're unreleasing your wrist, and your thumb should pop out. And you kind of like make sure your hand. You know how you shake somebody's hands like this? Basically, that's how you want your hand to go as you release with the two fingers, because you want to make sure your two fingers are the ones that does all the pushing out again with the ball. So kind of gonna, it's gonna be just like this. It's gonna show you up high, make sure you see it. So your hand's gonna be hooked, ball like this, and that's it. As you come right here, your thumb's kind of coming out. So it'll be straight, shake hand, straight, shake hand. Alright, so basically that's how you're supposed to do it. But the way I do it, kind of different. Same way though. I still do cuff the ball like this and everything, but I don't stick my thumb inside the hole of the ball. I keep my thumb on top of the hole. So I just have my hole on top, and I already have my two fingers already just ready to release. So I cuff the ball like this. My thumb, like I said, is on top of the hole, so I'm not using it. It's like a placeholder basically. And when I release, still shake the hand and go. Shake the hand. I do have a video for you guys to show you how the instructions go, but this is the full motion right here. So you still start right here, have the ball cuffed. Still aim like I want to. Take a deep breath. And as you go, you're releasing like this, and your thumb should pop out. Boom. See how my hand turns sideways? Just like this. Start off straight, fit it sideways. So when you're releasing like that, it's basically showing that the ball is like, because you want the ball to spin, rotate like this. Because if you don't basically turn your hand like this to make it look like you're shaking somebody's hand, the ball is not going to rotate like this. It's going to go straight down and roll like this. You don't want that. You don't want the ball to turn. So when it's spinning, it can go like towards the edge like this, and they go spin and come back in and boom, right down the middle. A lot of professional bowlers do it. I'm going to show you a quick video of the instructions showing you how to actually do it, and I hope this helps.
What I want you to do is make sure that you get your hand cupped underneath the bowling ball a little bit at the bottom of the swing. When the thumb clears, the fingers are still in the ball. That's when you want your hand to start rotating off the side of that ball. Remember, we want to get the bowling ball to rotate in this direction, not in this direction. This direction here is going to be a straight ball. We want it going in this direction so it will curve and drive into the pins. Bottom of the swing, thumb comes out first, fingers are in last, fingers rotate off the side of the bowling ball. This is how you put curve on it. So remember, throwing a curve will...
Alright, so I hope that video actually helped you a better understanding what I was trying to grasp on it. But like I said, you're trying to do the spin, you need to follow the way that they taught you with the thumb inside the hole. But to me, I feel like the hole, sticking my thumb in the hole is very kind of hard. So I'd rather keep my thumb out the hole and just use my two fingers, my middle and my ring finger, and I just cuffing it cuffing it, boom. And that's how you do a curve, throwing a curve ball down the bowling alley lane and hit it right down the middle. Have a good day.